Number 1. 1985 Chevrolet C10, $9,500, Dayton, Nevada. A dependable driver-quality Chevrolet C10 with under 100,000 miles, this square body runs and drives properly with its 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The orange paint shows wear on the hood, but the body remains rust-free, an increasingly rare find. While the truck lacks air conditioning and is not restored, it offers a clean title and a strong foundation for collectors seeking an honest, well-preserved, square-body pickup suitable for daily enjoyment. Number 2. 1976 Jeep J-10 Levi Edition, $9,000, Turlock, California, an extremely rare Levi edition. This 1976 Jeep J-10 is a true barn find showing only 8,000 original miles. It retains its numbers-matching V8, automatic transmission, locking hubs, cruise control, tilt wheel, factory bucket seats, and center console. Sitting for 20 years, it will need revival work, including a battery and fuel system service. With a rust-free short bed body and exceptional originality, this limited production Jeep is a valuable piece of four-wheel drive history. Number 3. 1977 Ford F350 Dually, $3,850, Los Angeles, California. This 1977 Ford F350 Dually features a heavy-duty metal landscape bed and a durable 8-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. It last ran 1 year ago and now requires a battery, replacement keys, and complete title work. The odometer is inoperative and no paperwork is available. While its condition is fair, the strong chassis and functional utility body offer solid potential for revival as a classic work truck. Number 4. 1988 Dodge Ram 4x4 Project, $2,500, San Jacinto, California. A non-running project with desirable configuration, this 1988 Dodge Ram short bed 4x4 includes a V8 engine and automatic transmission. The body is straight and the metal is solid, making it a strong candidate for restoration. The truck has been sitting for years, though it reportedly ran before being parked. With classic Dodge pickups rising in value, this example is well suited for an enthusiast seeking a budget-friendly, vintage four-wheel drive build. Number 5. 1989 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $750, Troy, Montana. This budget-minded 1989 Chevrolet S10 4x4 extended cab runs and drives well, powered by a 2.8-liter V6 and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has a new clutch with only 300 miles on it, along with other recent updates. The exterior condition is rough, but the truck is mechanically functional with solid tires and a dry canopy. A practical option for daily use, outdoor work, or a low-cost classic compact pickup. Number 6. 1989 Dodge D150 Long Bed, $6,000, Hillsboro, Oregon. A clean and rust-free example, this 1989 Dodge D150 Long Bed shows 107,086 miles and is powered by a reliable 360 EFI V8. Recent maintenance includes new brakes and shocks, improving drivability. With its straightforward mechanical design, rear-wheel drive layout, and clean title, this D150 serves as a dependable and affordable classic truck suited for regular use. Number 7. 1985 Ford F350 1-ton 4x4, $6,000, Arvada, Colorado. A family-owned Ford F350 equipped with a 6.9-liter international diesel enhanced by a Banks turbo system. This 1-ton 4x4 is built for towing. Mileage is unknown due to a rolled-over odometer, but it runs well and has recently passed emissions. Upgrades include new batteries, a fifth-wheel plate, and a gooseneck hitch. The body exhibits significant paint deterioration and typical rust, yet the truck remains mechanically strong with notable potential after cosmetic restoration. Number 8. 1977 Ford F150 XLT, $23,000, Reno, Nevada. A meticulously restored and well-sorted example, this 1977 Ford F150 XLT features a 351 modified V8 and extensive mechanical updates, including a new air conditioning compressor, upgraded carburetor, fresh exhaust components, and a new steering box. The interior has been renewed, the exterior paint shows excellent quality, and the truck rides on strong tires. Showing only 63,700 miles, it is ready for immediate use and is ideal for collectors seeking a near-show quality 1970s Ford pickup. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $9,940, Naperville, Illinois. A one-owner, long-wheelbase 1986 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, equipped with a 305 V8 and automatic transmission. The truck includes power windows, power locks, tilt wheel, and a fiberglass cap. Z-Bart rust protection has kept the undercarriage clean. Minor paintwork was previously completed on the door tops, and a lowering kit has been installed. With 116,000 miles and a clean title, it offers originality paired with tasteful modifications. Number 10. 1989 Chevrolet C1500 Short Bed, $22,400, Phoenix, Arizona. A remarkably preserved short bed C1500 with only 62,700 original miles. This truck features fresh paint, a clean interior, functional accessories, and a modern Bluetooth audio system. Powered by a strong 5.7-liter V8 and automatic transmission, it also includes cold air conditioning and a clean title. Given the rising desirability of low-mile early GMT 400 trucks, this example stands out as a premium survivor. Number 11. 1986 Chevrolet C10 Square Body, $22,000, Pueblo, Colorado. A high-performance classic, this 1986 Chevrolet C10 features an estimated 400 horsepower high-compression engine with roller rockers, performance springs, high-compression pistons, and a 4x4 cam. It is paired with a Muncie M21 4-speed transmission, sourced from a 1969 SS Chevelle. The truck is clean but not show quality, and the odometer is inoperative. With an upgraded audio system behind the seat, this C10 offers muscle car power in a square body pickup. Number 12. 1996 Dodge Dakota, $900, Bennington, Nebraska. An inexpensive four-wheel drive project truck, this 1996 Dodge Dakota features a V8 Magnum engine and automatic transmission. After sitting for an extended period, it runs inconsistently, likely due to fuel or ignition issues. The interior is dusty but intact, and the body remains clean for its age. With 103,942 miles and a clean title, it offers an affordable platform for mechanical repair and reuse. Number 13, 1977 GMC High Sierra, $8,995, Seaside, California. A short bed 1977 GMC High Sierra equipped with a small block V8 and automatic transmission. Showing 157,000 miles, it has brand new tires, current registration, and a fresh smog pass. The clean title and reliable daily driver status make it a practical option for those wanting a usable classic with the comfort and trim level associated with the High Sierra name. Number 14, 1965 Ford F100, $6,500, Vallejo/Benicia, California. A well-maintained 1965 Ford F100 powered by a 240 cubic inch straight six and a rebuilt 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has been used reliably for daily school commuting, supported by major recent work including a rebuilt transmission, new clutch, refurbished front suspension, new front brake lines, new U-joints, and a rebuilt carburetor. Being pre-1975, it requires no smog inspection in California, a dependable and appealing classic driver.